imagine, age has come upon my dad. He's now 93 years old by the grace of God, and just could not travel. His wife, grandma, is also old at 86, couldn't travel. So they sent their daughters, myself and my sister Jenelle Ocloo, to represent them on this auspicious occasion. So what is happening? We were here 3 years ago, and we celebrated Dr. Ocloo's 90th birthday. At that time, we came with a contingency of people, and the school had some problems that really touched their hearts. Okay, so they donated money. They donated money to help in some way. So Mr. Isaac Atta has been the headmaster of the Tetteh Ocloo School for the Deaf for a number of years now. So we conferred with him, what could we do to help? And he felt that the biggest need was to stabilize the water situation at the school. So we started off. We had been here, I think, in 2022. 2023, we started working on our project. We hope to be finished 2024. Unfortunately, we ran into big problems. The base that was done for the tank collapsed. We were so disheartened. My dad was very troubled. What can we do? And so that took a lot of 2025. But by the grace of God, we believe it has been done right. I conferred with Mr. Atta on Monday. He said we still need a few things for the water to run. And he said, we talked to him, and yes, I believe it's running. Hey. We thank God, we thank God, we thank God. It has taken 3 years, oh my goodness, for this thing to come to pass. But we are grateful that it has.
Is Jenelle Tetteh Ocloo, a member of the Tetteh Ocloo family. I'm here today at the Tetteh Ocloo State School for the Deaf, which in fact was founded by my father, Dr. Seth Tetteh Ocloo. Today we are here to commission the new water tanks for the students' dormitories and for the administrative block. We were informed by the headmaster, Mr. Arthur, who will be coming shortly, of the need here at the school. What we were told is that there wasn't a reliable source of water for the students in the dormitory, particularly those on the top floors. So this is of course affecting the sanitation issue here at the school and the health and welfare of the students. So we, the Tetteh Ocloo family, we got together, our friends and other benefactors, to donate money in order to purchase new tanks, install new tanks for a reliable water supply for the students. We are so grateful to the Omni Global Solutions Foundation, OGS Foundation, for...
Today we are happy that the founder of the school, Dr. Tetteh Ocloo, and then the family are in our school today to donate these tanks and improve our water system for the learners. We know it's a government. I have to also give credit to Ghana government. It's also doing well by allowing the Ghana water to flow into the school. But at times we have challenge. You know, the water flowing up to the top for those at the top to also use. And so the long and short is that we thank the Tetteh Ocloo family for coming to expand the water system in the school for us.
So grateful to the Omni Global Solutions Foundation, OGS Foundation. They spearheaded the effort on this water and sanitation project here at the School for the Deaf. In addition, we have many other friends that we have to thank. Friends who donated resources, time, money in order to make this all possible. We are so grateful to Mr. John Day and his family, as well as the Boeing Corporation. In addition, we thank the members of the Columbia Tema Sister Cities, committee. Columbia, Maryland is in a sister cities relationship with TEMA, and so they also support the efforts to help the Tetteh Ocloo School for the deaf.